Hey y'all, and welcome back. In this video I am working on the sketch cards for October Patreons. This is the Fluorite Tier, and these little cards are about 3.5 by 5 inches, I do believe, and they were so much fun to work on. They were originally just supposed to be straight up sketch cards, just pencil, but I love my metallic watercolor too much to let that happen. So I really wanted to add that to it as well. I thought that would be really cool to have the pencil and the gold. But as you can see, I couldn't let that happen either. I just wanted to add some watercolor to it also. And like I said, I really like how they turned out. I'm glad I did add watercolor to it. It wasn't anything too crazy. Just some simple washes, for the background. It was like 2 washes, and then the ravens themselves wasn't anything too crazy. I just switched between 3 different colors, I believe. I used amethyst, genuine, lamp black, and then shadow violet mostly. There was a few other colors for the little chunky necklaces that I added to them, but again, I just love how they came out. I love creating birds, drawing and painting birds in general. They have so much texture to them, probably because of the feathers, but you can just do so much with them. You can just add little things here and there. I love adding the necklaces. I've done that before, especially with the owls. I've added horns and 3rd and 4th eyes before, and other parts that birds usually don't have. But yeah, it's so much fun. I love them, and I hope y'all like them too. I stuck with the raven theme. Patreons voted this month's theme was Armored Raven, and I will be working on that piece next week. It will be uploaded. I almost have it ready to ink as of right now. I will be inking and then using markers on it first, because it is part of the Colors of the Month challenge that I do, as most of y'all know. And I really, really want to do another version of that painting or that illustration, because I have a color palette in mind and I really want to do that. So sometime in November there will probably be another version of that illustration coming out. So more videos, but it'll be kind of a belated another version of that theme. So and I almost forgot, this video in general, I did something different. Since I'm working on 2 different sketch cards, I kind of mashed them together in one video. I think it's cool. I don't know, let me know what y'all think, because I'm very new to editing still, but I really like making videos and I wanted to do something different, and I thought this was cool. And I will probably do this with future sketch card videos as well, and if I get more people in the tier, I'll probably, lump them all together and make one big compilation. I think that would be really cool. And as always, these are always going to be, mailed out. I'm going to do the wax seals that y'all have seen in the earlier post on the Patreon feed. I got a bunch of colors to use for the wax seals, and it's so much fun using them. I've messed up a bunch, but I think I need more practice, so give me more stuff to send out, please. But yeah, this month is almost over. It's crazy. I think I've done a good job though at pacing myself. It was really fun to do everything this month, and yeah, if y'all want sketch cards like this in the future, the Fluorite Tier on my Patreon, it's $20. That is, I don't think I have it specified, but it is just domestic, like USA right now. I think I may try and make an international one if y'all would like, but yeah, this is a more affordable way to just get a little piece of original artwork. It is an original, it's not a print. You get the original that you see here, and yeah, if you're interested, please head over to my Patreon, check it out. And I added a nice little bonus here at the end. You'll get to see some of the wax seal pours that I did. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. And thank you again to all my patrons. I really, really appreciate all your support. Thank you for letting me do what I love. It's amazing. You're amazing. Mwah. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.